light turns amber in the heat. Butter melts a whisper, soft and sweet. Stir it slow, let the crystals disappear. Kitchen smells like Sunday, crystal clear. Heavy cream waits patient on the side. One bold pour in the stormy ride. Bubbles rise like secrets from the deep. Hold your breath, the golden river speaks. Oh, walk away, don't break the spell. 1 second more and it's caramel. It's a golden river, slow and fine. Sticky on my spoon, tastes like time. From the flame to the jar, watch it shine. Homemade caramel, yours and mine. Drizzle it on apples, let it fall. Loving every swirl, that's all. Salt flakes flutter down like morning snow. Wake the sweetness, make the deep notes glow. Scrape the edges, save the burnt kiss lace. Every scar's a story, every trace. Cool a gentle glass against the steel. Lid clicks shut, the promise sealed. Spoon it warm or chill it through the night. Either way, it's liquid candlelight.